Hello, this is a simple tutorial on how to use the Carbon Aware SDK API and how to set it up properly. I will be showing you two different ways. The one is the simplest and fastest one, which is using our custom scripts, and the other one is the one the Green Software Foundation is proposing. They both use the API Docker. So let's do our way first. As you can see, we have cloned our repository and we're inside it. We will be going to the code Carbon Aware Web API directory, and here we will be running the setup API bash script. You have to make sure that you have VS Code installed. So we are running the script. What the script does is it makes sure that you have the remote containers extension from VS Code, and that you have download the SDK repository from GitHub, and it copies some important scripts from our directory to the other one. So as you can see here, the next one is to open the project in a container by selecting the folder, and then to run a bash script in there. So let's open a new window in VS Code. We will be pressing Ctrl+Shift+P to open the dev container open container folder. As you can see, in the same directory you have installed our repo. We will just be downloading the Carbon Aware SDK repository. We will be opening it. This might take a while for someone who is doing this for the first time, but we have done it before. Here we'll be running the start.sh script. And as you can see, we have now the API running on port 5073. Let's see online as well. As we can see here, the API is running correctly. So let's see the second way now. So we will be stopping the API. Okay, the second way to run it is to again make sure you have personally installed the Carbon Aware SDK repo. You can find it here under the Green Software Foundation Carbon Aware SDK. You clone it, and then again you use the same Ctrl+Shift+P to open a dev container, and you select it from the available folders. And you wait for it to open. It's right here. Now there are some steps you need to take. First of all, in the source Carbon Aware Web API source appsetting.json, you need to copy here. This won't be available to you because you have just cloned the repo. You have to copy the file. You can find it in our repository our repository is at code Carbon Aware Web API appsetting.json. You have to copy it there, and then you can do cd source carbonaware.webapi source again, and then .NET run, and you should have the same exact result. But again, we propose just using our custom scripts.